HVAC golden case thermometer. The QualityWell HVAC golden case thermometer is composed of glass tube, golden aluminum die casting body, and brass stand. The upper body had three lenses: 100 mm, 150 mm, 200 mm. The length of the stem can be customized. The glass tubes are filled with blue liquid and mercury when the temperature is above 300 degrees centigrade. The material of lower body is brass and will be steel when the temperature is high. There are two type connections, bottom and back. It is with intuitive display, fast reading, safe and long life. It can be used on pipes, chemical engineering, and marine equipment.